So in this video, I will talk everything about jobs after BTech, because many of the students, like, they are trying for GATE exam, and when they are not able to qualify GATE exam, then second time, because of lot of situations, they are not willing to prepare for GATE exam, and they are looking for the jobs. So because my youtube channel I used to upload all the videos about aeronautical aerospace engineering, and you may be knowing about me if you're watching my videos regularly. If you are very new on my channel, then you should know that I have qualified GATE exam 6 times, and I am teaching for GATE Aerospace Engineering from 8 plus years, and I have given so many toppers. They are sitting and enjoying into IIT, and you are watching the video. Welcome back. Everything about jobs after BTech in aerospace or aeronautical engineering. So I am going to discuss all job profiles and all the companies, leading companies, not kind of a startup, leading companies where you can get the job and what kind of salary you can be expecting. And one more thing, when whatever I will be explaining here, this thing you are not going to judge with your senior salary or with your friend's salary, because they may be getting a different salary because they are not working in same job profile, but they may be having the same degree from the same college where you are, from where you are. Okay, I mean to say, just an example, you are from any university A, B, C, D, and from this university you are about to finish your final year, and you are looking for the job, and you are seeing that your particular senior is earning this much lakhs per annum, or that senior is earning this much lakhs per annum. So you are thinking that you are also going to get the same salary. It is not the case. On what basis we are going to decide the salary? That depends on your job profile, and also depends in which kind of company you are going to get the job. Okay, now see, most of the time what happens in India, students are finishing their bachelor degree in aeronautical or aerospace engineering, but they don't work in core department. Why they don't work in core department? Main logic is they don't have opportunity to work in core department. Okay, because seats are very less. You have so much struggle in aerospace aeronautical engineering department. Seats are very less. For an example, just an example, if you talk about IIT Madras, if you talk about it, roughly like 60 plus students are there. You can say roughly 60 students are there, like all total 60 students are there. In that 60 students, how are they finishing their 4 years of BTech, and after that how many of them are joining core department? Really, if you will understand this story, you will be shocking. But whoever is from IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, it's not like everyone is doing bad. Some of them are doing excellent, really very good. But whatever I will discuss here, it is not about toppers story. It is like what is happening at average level, like on average level, what is the situation, right? So let's understand, after completing your aerospace aeronautical engineering, what kind of job profile you may have. So you will be working like aerospace designer, aircraft production manager, mechanical design engineer, assistant technical officer, aerospace engineer. Now see guys, once you are finishing your aeronautical or aerospace engineering, these type of job profile you will be having. Now in every job profile you have to do different work, and for that work you will be having different salary. Okay, and these all are for freshers. I am saying these all are for freshers. Freshers means, and here there is no requirement of any kind of software or something, like you have to do some, you have to be very good in, excellent in Python, you have to be very good in C or C++, like that. But see guys, these kind of jobs, when you will go for the interview or something, they can ask you, are you good in, for example, do you know Python, do you know CFD, do you know something. So let's understand, in these kind of job profiles, what are the things are required. So first we'll go one by one, and we also see the salary. So if you're working as aerospace designer in few companies, I also have the list of companies, don't worry, I will mention properly. So let's see for this part. So if you're working as aerospace designer, your salary will be 7 LPA, 7 lakhs per annum. In 1 year you will be getting 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs in 1 year means roughly how much it comes, like 12 into 6 if you do, yes, roughly, yes, 12 into 6, but like 60,000, but less than 60,000 you'll be getting if you are working as aerospace. But see guys, everyone cannot get this job immediately after BTech. Everyone cannot get this job. Now see what kind of job you have to do if you are in this field. So you can see I have mentioned here, like for research, for analyze and create structural engineering specifications using metallic and non-metallic components, right? Test damage tolerance, durability and stability to determine structural configuration. Now first thing comes into picture that if you want to work as aerospace designer to get 7 LPA, all the companies are not recruiting for these kind of jobs, because all the companies are not of that level. Every company is not like Airbus and Boeing like that, okay? Every company is not like that. So in different companies, different work is happening. So according to the work you will be getting the job, correct? Whatever demands they have, maybe they are not working for research, maybe they are just service based companies. So in that company you cannot apply as an aerospace designer. I hope where I am trying to take you, you are going there, okay? Like maybe in the company research is there, but there is no test damage. Okay, I mean to say, companies are having their own limitations because of their own financial issues and their own expand, like they want to expand something, so they need engineers, but before that they need economy, right? So because of that, every company is not providing all kinds of job. Now come to the next part. Every aerospace in designer will do all the jobs, and average salary will be 7 LPA. One more thing, it depends on your interview. Okay, it depends on your skills. You may get 6, you may get 8 also, you may get 7.5 also, you may get 7.2 also. On average I am talking you'll be getting 7. Now if you're working as aircraft production manager, like name itself is giving you idea, but see salary is very less, 4.5 LPA. Roughly it is 4.5 LPA. Again, you may land to 4 LPA, you may land to 5 LPA, depends on your skills and interview setup, okay? So what is the job? Supervising and coordinating efficient aircraft production lines and making sure that the aircraft are as per industry and safety standards. Okay, now next you have mechanical design engineer. You can work as this post. So again you can see salary is further less, 3.5 lakhs per annum only. Means you can say roughly 30,000 per month. Roughly 30,000 per month. Okay, so what is the job if you are working as mechanical design engineer? You are going to review specifications and other related data to develop mechanical layouts. They measure physical dimensions of machinery and observe production lines. Okay, so I hope this part is not very satisfied, because many of you may be thinking that after becoming aeronautical aerospace engineer you are going to earn 4 to 5 lakhs per month. Okay, you may be thinking that you are going to make 40 lakhs per annum. Guys, no. And especially in the beginning of your age, like if you are working in core department and if you are working for 4 to 5 years, after that also, like I know some of my friends and I know some of my seniors, they did not shift to IT sector, they did not shift to core Python, core C, core C++, they did not shift to core CFD, they did not shift to core software jobs. They are still into core aerospace department and they are from different IITs and they are working for like 4 to 5 years, but still they are earning 10 to 13 lakhs per annum. Okay, so now next one, you can get the job as assistant technical officer. So again salary you can say it will go 3 lakhs per annum, means salary is further less. So what is the role of this kind of job profile? Cleaning and maintenance of aseptic units and equipments on a daily or weekly or monthly basis. Because salary is less, so you feel again. But see guys, just after BTech, if you have potential to get any kind of job whatever I am explaining here, then make sure your future is going to be bright. Okay, just because jobs are like these this money what you are getting as a salary is very less, because you have some different dreams. Like when we come to the first semester of aeronautical aerospace engineering, we used to think like we are going to be the next Iron Man, we are going to be the next Spider-Man, like that. those kind, like we see Bollywood and we think like we are going to be Hollywood kind of lifestyle. But at like practically you see things are entirely different. Mostly I'll tell you what happens when people are finishing their aeronautical aerospace jobs. They don't have references. They are continuously posting their for the jobs on LinkedIn, but they are not getting proper feedback. Because of that they are in trouble. So what they do, somehow they will get the job in some IT sector, and by the moment they will finish 1 or 2 years in their IT sector, they will be getting some good package, at least 35,000 per month, at least 30 to 40,000 per month. And if they are good person, good in their skills, they can immediately jump to 20 lakh plus or something. Okay, so because of that we have trouble here. Trouble means students, I mean people are not shifting for the people are not willing to do the core jobs. Like some students are still doing the core job, but mostly people are shifting to the software side. Even though like I know a lot of stories, people are completing their masters from different IITs, but still they are not able to get the job. It is not because they are not having potential, it is because jobs are not there that much. So mostly in India, what kind of jobs are there? Like mostly IT sector jobs are there. Even though you are aeronautical aerospace engineer, you complete any software, immediately you'll be getting job. Like these kind of situations are happening. Okay, so then I'll go to the next one. If you are working as aerospace engineer, then your salary will be 7.1, which is the highest in my list. So researching ways to make fuel efficient parts and engines. You can see this sounds good, right? It feels like yes, we are working like aerospace engineer. Carrying out ground level testing and estimating project cost with time scale. Okay, so like most of the time students will be thinking that they have to work in these kind of jobs, but guys understand, companies are not there. We don't have a lot of companies. Like if you check every year how many students are coming out from in aerospace department from different colleges, from IITs and all. So huge competition, amazing level of competition you have. That's why some students from private colleges, only very few means very few. You can see your seniors, you can see your college history, like who has been where and what was the track they followed. Mostly you will find that they shifted to the they left the core branch. They could not get into R&D sector, I mean research and development sector, and finally they are working in some kind of I mean software department jobs. Okay, so now we have a next thing, like what are the leading companies you can have. Leading companies means you may be knowing that as an aerospace engineer after Btech, where can you apply? So you can apply in HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So salary will be roughly this much, 5.6 LP. Like this is average. Your salary may be 1 lakh up or 1 lakh down. It depends on your skill and interview. Okay. So in ISRO you'll be getting 6.72, and ISRO has recruited most of the engineers till now. And then you can see DRDO is roughly 5 point. So most of the time students are aware of ISRO DRDO. They are not aware of HAL, and they also not aware that Air India is also recruiting. And then you have CAD, Civil Aviation Department. Then you have ADA, Aeronautical Development Agency. You can see 4.6 and 2.1 lakhs per year. Then Mahindra Aerospace and Taneja Aerospace, here you have 3.5, roughly 3. And Pawan Hansa helicopters, so 2.27. And National Aerospace Laboratory. Like sometimes we sound like HAL and NAL. So this HAL means Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and this NAL means National Aerospace Laboratories. Okay, so like as a bachelor, you check what is your age. Like some people are watching this video when they are 28 plus, when they are 27 plus. But this video you think in this way, that what is your age now, and like once we are finishing our BTech level, immediately after BTech what is your age. Immediately after BTech roughly you will be 23 or 24. You can write roughly 23 24. This will be your age on average. Rarely people will finish in 26. Roughly 23 24 will be your age. So in 24-23, if you are getting all the jobs whatever I have mentioned in all these companies, then you can definitely pay 2 to 3 more years of your life, and you can get lot of experience, and these experiences will help you. But again, as I said, many of my friends, they have done their master degree from different IITs, and still they are in core department because of their love about the core of R&D of aerospace department, but their salary is not of that level. So nowadays people are shifting to data science as well, like immediately they are getting jobs, and very good package. Now go to the next level. Yes, I said data science. Yes. So what will be my average salary after Btech Aerospace Engineering? This is very popular question. So salary is going to be roughly 8 LPA, roughly. Okay, maximum you can expect, and 5 LPA. I like whatever salary I have mentioned, that you can see I have also mentioned 3 LPA. Like these are the like second kind of questions what I am replying secondary, like okay, as aerospace engineer, if you are a good student, then you are going to get the job, and if you are a good student getting the job, then roughly 5, 7, 6, these kind of range you will be getting. Okay, very rarely you will be getting 8, believe me, very rarely. Mostly you will be getting 3.5 to 4.5. This will be your package mostly. Then does ISRO recruit Btech aerospace engineers? This is very popular question. Yes, ISRO recruits, but see, number of seats will be very less, very less for aerospace department. And one more thing, every year there is no recruitment. They don't recruit every year, so this is also a big trouble. That's why every but engineers are coming out every year, degree is being completed every year. So for aerospace department, ISRO is not giving recruitment every year. But okay, nowadays frequency is somewhat better. So ISRO does recruit Btech aerospace engineers, but the applicants are cherry picked. It means you have to be very special. Very special means you have to be God gifted. Seriously, question paper and interview sessions are going to be very tough, and you have to go through written exam, even though you have qualified GATE exam. But that GATE rank and GATE score is like one kind of advantage, but that is not the last criteria. Okay, so qualifying GATE exam is very important. Preparing for GATE exam is very important, because when you prepare for GATE exam, whether you qualify GATE or not does not matter, but that preparation will help you to qualify DRDO and ISRO exams and HCL exams. So join my coaching center immediately, as soon as possible. I am running coaching center. My first batch was in 2014 to 2015, and till now it's been 8+ years, and you can just visit my YouTube channel. Like right now you are on my channel, so spend some 3 to 4 days, you will come to know about everything once you will go through my channel. So join the course. I have 19+ different programs for a GATE aerospace preparation. Okay, and you can also contact me directly on my WhatsApp if you are interested. You can find my number in description box. Here also I will mention. Now the last question here, future of Btech holder students. Like if you are like Btech holder from IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, like, but you want to work in pure R&D sectors. Actually, sometimes students will say that see, why I am making this video, because I think I'm the right person to make this video, because I have taught a lot of students. I have seen my seniors, I have seen my friends, I have seen my juniors. I have a lot of experience about academics and these job issues. So that's why I can guide you in this direction. Okay, so this video will give you a lot of help to think about job placements. Okay, now what happens, like in IITs, if you are in aerospace or aeronautical department and you are not into IITs, you are into some private college, then lot of companies will come to your college. Lot of companies, they may not be the companies for aerospace or aeronautical jobs, but still, because people are looking for the job because of money problem, family problem, health issues, like age issue, marriage, lot of things are there on the way. That's why they switch, that's why they join any company. And I have seen some students that they are like, after completing their Btech, after completing their MTech from IIT, they are not capable of getting jobs. Why? Because they are having only degree, they are not that talented what is required by ISRO and DRDO. That's why they are not getting enough jobs. So see, both the issues are there. First thing, jobs are less. Next thing, only very good student will get the job. Whatever jobs are available, that job only very good student will get the job. If you are an average student, then definitely you are not. So what I have seen, that people are switching to IIT, JEE and medical coaching centers as a teacher. Okay, and there they are making good money. So that is also because anyway, if your dream was to become aerospace aeronautical engineer, that dream gets over once you have the degree. But if your dream is to work as aerospace aeronautical engineer, then see here, there are ways, like you join any private company for R&D sectors, like whatever companies I have explained, and definitely if you'll Google, you'll be getting a lot more companies nowadays. Okay, like a startup, you can start your journey from there. But again, I'm not saying to work in software department. I'm not saying to work like, okay, you are working in some Python, C++, you are working in some CFD, but you are like, there is no touch from aerospace department. No, you work in aerospace department R&D sector, and from there, after working of 2-3 years or 2 years, then you can switch your job and you can get your job in Airbus, Boeing, Lockheed Martin, like lot of companies are there. You can again keep on trying in ISRO, DRDO. You can keep on preparing for GATE level, so that in the next vacancy you should be selected into the ISRO and DRDO. So if you have not started GATE preparation, start immediately and wait for the next recruitment for HAL, NAL, ISRO, DRDO, and be ready every day. Keep revising your syllabus if you have prepared already. Okay, so that in next vacancy you should be the perfect person to get seat into ISRO and DRDO and other related companies. Thank you so much.